Okay, here we are today, Silverback Custom Works, 3 hours after our starting of this job. Just wanted to show you a little bit about what we found as far as the windshield cowl goes. As you can see, she's pretty well shot. Not much saving this one, but pretty typical to Scouts. Not much out of the ordinary there. We'll get some hardware off of it, be able to recycle the linkages and brackets and wiper motor. It tested good, so we should be fine there. Show you a little bit about what we've been doing over this past few hours. We've got her all stripped down. The body's loose from the frame. We're getting ready to lift her off and show you guys what a tub looks like coming off. Now, what we've done at this point, we like to do this if the doors and the tailgate are structurally sound enough. We leave them on just to help give support to the integrity of the body tub so that no bending occurs. What we'll do is we'll place this on sawhorses, jig up the body to maintain all the factory clearances and spreads and door jamb A, B posts and then tailgate opening. And then we will put it on the rotisserie and start the restoration process on the body tub. As you'll see in future segments here, the cab mounts, center shelf body mounts are all shot on this particular truck. Have a lot of rust damage. To look at the body tub where it sits right now, you wouldn't think that it's in that bad a condition. This is a good example of what you can't see is the worst part. The floors have been replaced. Like I said earlier, this has been done another time. The person who did these floors were nice enough to go right over top of the body bolts for us. Create a little issue. We just had to cut them off from the bottom. We'll locate those, hole saw some reliefs in there and do a little assessment of how bad the understructure of this is, whether we cut all that back out and restart or not. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to pan back here a little bit. And we will just give you a little view of what this looks like coming off. Okay, I'll give you a quick little rundown of what we have here on the underside. A little dark. See if I can't get a trouble light over here so you can see a little bit better. As you can see, center shelf mount, pretty cheesy, bad shape. I'll pan around here in just a second, show you the other side. Cab mount, as you can see, really bad shape. Pretty much nothing left of it. You can see the other side. Rear sill, actually in really good shape. Clean across the back. No rust to speak of, will clean up just fine. Gas tank, as you can see, has some leaking problems. We'll be replacing this. Typical Scout rust around the straps. Nothing that we wouldn't expect to see. You can see quarter gussets. Pretty bad shape. Center shelf mounts, gone. We'll replace both of them. Inner rocker, floor supports, actually all in really good shape. Inner wheel well, quarters, floor supports for the cargo floor and the floor itself. Pretty decent, not too bad. Just needs cleaned up, sealed. Some of the rust addressed and replaced with good metal. And for the most part, a good base to start with for any restoration. As you can see, the cab mounts totally gone. But we'll repair all that. It won't be an issue. As you can see, the chassis is in average shape, no glaring rust, no major issues to address. And like I said earlier, over the next couple months, you'll be seeing a lot of changes in this. We're going to give it our gorilla treatment and bring this bad boy around. Make it a real nice driver for this gentleman. On our next segment, what we'll do is we'll show you this on the rotisserie and show you some disassembly of the chassis and how we get started in doing some of these repairs.